Hi everyone. So today we have Mr. Ashish Gupta with us. So with us in Consulto from last 3 years, and he is Assistant Vice President of Finance and Account team. So hi Ashish. So yeah, we hear your journey from last 3 years in Consulto. Over to you, Ashish.
As you have rightly said, I joined 3 years back. I've joined in 2018, and journey has been very great. I mean, tremendous for me. I got a lot of exposure. I would like to say that I always felt as if I have been in this organization since many years. I mean, 3 years, it's too less. I mean, I think that I've given more to this company. I've got more from this company. Yeah.
Okay. So that was about your journey. So like you can see in this pandemic situation, like it is a very new experience to all of us. So your experience in pandemic, working in pandemic, and how did you manage working in pandemic?
I mean, earlier we used to think before this pandemic as how would we like working from home. COVID-19 has given this opportunity to work, but it has also instilled fear in us. However, I would like to thank HR, IT and management for having regular meetings wherein all the hurdles were discussed and ensured that we were having a smooth functioning of work. All the hurdles roadblocks were sorted and solutions were provided. Currently, I feel everything is in place. Work is going on smoothly. We are enjoying a good balance of work as well as having a good family time.
Okay. So, any of your memorable part with Consulto which you want to express out with us?
Yeah, thank you. I mean, as I said earlier, the journey has been fantastic in this company, and what I have learned, many things, yes, many things. All things that I've learned here has become a memorable part. For example, played a crucial role in implementation of ESOPs. I could see how management thinks for the benefit of this organization as well as for the employees. During COVID situation, start of COVID situation, I could see we learned quick decision on salary reduction and its restorations. Also saw how management and HR efficiently work to ensure the safe return of our colleagues to India from their respective offshore assignments. Also, we saw CSR initiatives that we are taking. Experience on setting up a subsidiary company in USA. I mean, all these things which were very new to me, I got to learn this in this organization, and it has become a memorable part for me. What also has etched in my memory is how quickly all the department heads get together and work hand in hand for achieving the best for the company in any given situation. Guidance from management and their supervision to achieve the desired goal is excellent. Hats off to them.
Yeah, that is true. So, any short message to our consultants and their family, which would be helpful for them?
Sure. Everybody is bombarded with messages and via WhatsApp or other social media. However, I would like to say that you have to be safe, stay safe, adhere to all the rules because it is beneficial to you and your family. It's not a time to go directionless or go on your own. Instead, we should take inspiration from a train which travels. I mean, it has to travel within the tracks and has to follow all the rules and regulations. So it's good that you follow these rules so that everybody is safe and we get a good future for everybody.
So thank you, Ashish sir, for your valuable time, and thank you for sharing your journey with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kumar. Have a nice day.